Oh, that? What's this? It's just a lavalier mic. Hello. Hello. Pretty cool. Hello, friends. Welcome to Tape Measure Pencil Knife. So the other day I was sitting in this general area thinking, and I was thinking that my vocal booth door needs to look like a piano. Duh. That's what we're doing here today. Pretty excited about it. I got my tape measure and my... Let's not use this pencil. We're gonna use this pencil because this one is just too dangerous. I don't want to hurt myself. Do you see it? I got these on the Amazon. You can get custom pencils, hundreds of them. Step one, take the door off the hinges, bring it to the table, and divide it up into the appropriate amount of keys. And for that, we're gonna do math. My favorite thing. Hammer, nail, pop the hinges, bring it to the table, divide it up, lay it out, paint with some black paint the dark keys and the cracks between the white keys to show that they are keys and not just one solid piece of white. Here we go. So the math. A piano key is 6 inches by 7/8 of an inch, or 0.875. This door is 23 3/4, 23.75. 23.75 divided by 6. I get 3.95. I multiply that times 0.875 equals 3.4. I'm gonna make each key 3.5 inches wide. And I wanna start right here on the knob. One key hits center of the knob. 1 3/4 each way. Now we mark 3.5 all the way down. And those are just the white keys. Then we're gonna do a little more math on the black keys. Mark them, and then we will be ready to paint. Let's do this. Time for the black keys. The math on the black keys. Oh, I just got that band name. Wonder if they only used the black keys for their songs. Doesn't matter. Back to the black keys. The math. 23.75 divided by 6, because that was the total length of a real piano key was 6. That equals 3.9583333. We're gonna multiply that by the length of a black key, which is 3.5. 3.5 equals 13.854. We're going with 13.875. Even though that's not what it is, it's close enough to 13 7/8. Easy to remember. Now, divide the 13 7/8 by the 3.5. That is the black key, 3.5. That is 3.9642. Multiplying that by the width of the black key, which is roughly 1/2 of an inch. So that times 0.5 equals 1.9821426. Boom. So our black keys are, let's just go with 2 inches. Got the math, got it written down. 13 7/8 by 2 inches. Close enough. If you could tell the difference, then good for you. But I don't care. So, black keys, math is done. Let's lay them out. Here we go. Completely laid out. White keys, black keys. I think it's time to paint this thing. This, from this point on, is pretty much like coloring, just filling in the lines. And don't go outside the lines, which I'm gonna. I've never been a stay in the lines kind of person. Let's do it. You're not gonna move this time, right? Over here painting my door like a piano. For this type of art, you don't really gotta be Van Gogh. You just gotta kind of want your studio door to blend in with the rest of the studio, like camo. Honestly, all that math has kinda hurt my brain. I mean, I can do it, it's just hard to explain. Just imagine how many people were watching, and when they got to that part, they were like, I am off this is lame. Well, they don't know what they're missing. I got nearly perfect dimensions, and now I made a whole song just to keep your attention on one of the most boring videos I've ever made. Yep, I have no problem admitting it. This is not the one you were thinking you were finna get. Now you're probably thinking, how is he not finished yet? Well, I got a real problem with the editing. It could have been 2 minutes, but I didn't want to diminish it. Man, it's looking like this idiot's about to talk again. He's turning on that lavalier as if hearing him more clear will make it more interesting. And here we go. This ought to be riveting. You know what? This is gonna take a while. Let me just do you a favor. Let's just do a quick hand clap and the black keys will be done, and then we'll get started on the cracks. The cracks between the white keys. That took way longer than I expected. 3 hours. And I'm not really sure how to make the cracks nice and straight. This is my new plan. I quit for today. I'm gonna sleep on it. But you don't have to wait very long at all, because as soon as I show you some of these, I'll be back. ready to finish this thing. Let's take a look. Come here. Let me just get this camera off of here. Okay. Hi, it's a brand new day. I thought about it all night. I almost didn't sleep at all. But I went to Lowe's. This is what I came up with. Frog tape. Keeps paint out, keeps lines sharp. That's what I need, is sharp lines. So, we got green frog tape. I'm gonna run it on either side of my pencil line. Maybe a 1/16 of an inch on either side. And then paint it. I got a new brush too. This is a real pretty little brush. 2 pieces of tape per line, 1/16 on this side, 1/16 on this side. That should give us a nice 1/8 of an inch thick crack between the white keys. Pretty excited to see if this works. No confidence in it at all because tape always messes up painting. But paint block technology, maybe that'll help, right? It won't. I don't think it will. Here we go. I saw frog tape. Now I'm a believer. That's some of the crispiest lines I've ever seen tape leave. It looks amazing. Can't wait to see what it looks like hanging on the hinges in the vocal booth. If you know an easier way to scale rectangles, I'm sure there's an easier way. I feel like I used to know an easier way. Please let me know. But until then, just do all that math I did earlier, and good luck to you. From all of us here at Tape Measure Pencil Knife, thank you for watching. Stay tuned after this part so I can show you what the door looks like on the hinges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.